The number of galaxies in the universe is truly mind-boggling. Estimates suggest that there may be as many as 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe alone. Each of these galaxies contains billions or even trillions of stars, as well as a wealth of gas, dust, and other material. The sheer scale of the universe and the number of galaxies it contains is almost impossible to comprehend, and continues to inspire scientists and astronomers around the world to explore and understand the mysteries of the cosmos. In spite of these high numbers, the galaxies can be categorized into four. Let's start with the most common type of galaxy, the spiral galaxy. These galaxies are named for their distinctive spiral arms, which wind out from a central bulge like a cosmic pinwheel. The Milky Way, our own galaxy, is a prime example of a spiral galaxy, and has fascinated astronomers for centuries. Other notable spiral galaxies include the Andromeda Galaxy, which is the closest large galaxy to us and can be seen with the naked eye from a dark location, the Whirlpool Galaxy, which is famous for its striking spiral arms, and the Pinwheel Galaxy, which has been used as a target for many scientific studies. Spiral galaxies are full of mysteries and discoveries waiting to be made. In recent years, astronomers have found that many spirals contain supermassive black holes at their centers, which can have a profound impact on the galaxy's structure and evolution. They also often contain large amounts of gas and dust, which can give rise to new generations of stars and even planets. Spiral galaxies continue to fascinate astronomers and the general public alike, and have captured our imaginations for generations. Next up are elliptical galaxies, named for their oval or elliptical shape. These galaxies lack the distinctive spiral arms of spirals and have a more uniform distribution of stars. They also tend to be made up of older stars and contain little to no gas and dust. Despite their simple appearance, elliptical galaxies are some of the largest and most massive objects in the universe. Some notable examples of elliptical galaxies include Messier 87, which is located in the center of the Virgo cluster of galaxies and is home to one of the most massive black holes known, and Centaurus A, a nearby radio galaxy that is thought to have resulted from the merger of two galaxies. These galaxies and others like them have provided astronomers with valuable insights into the formation and evolution of large galaxies, and have spurred ongoing research into the role of supermassive black holes in galactic evolution. Moving on to irregular galaxies, which have a chaotic and often asymmetrical shape. These galaxies can take on many different forms, from distorted and stretched shapes to clumpy, fragmented collections of stars and gas. Some of the most fascinating objects in the universe are irregular galaxies, which have been shaped by violent interactions and collisions between galaxies. Two notable examples of irregular galaxies are the Large Magellanic Cloud and the Small Magellanic Cloud, which are satellite galaxies of our own Milky Way. These galaxies have provided astronomers with a wealth of information about star formation and evolution, and have allowed us to study some of the most extreme environments in the universe. Other examples of irregular galaxies include NGC 1427A and IC 1613, which are also the products of galactic collisions and mergers. Lenticular galaxies, also known as S0 galaxies, are a type of galaxy that has a central bulge similar to a spiral galaxy, but lacks the spiral arms and has a more flattened shape like an elliptical galaxy. They are often intermediate in size between spirals and ellipticals, and are thought to be the result of a fading spiral galaxy or a merger of galaxies. Lenticular galaxies are relatively rare compared to spiral and elliptical galaxies, and are found primarily in the densest regions of galaxy clusters. They are believed to have formed through a process of gravitational interactions and mergers between galaxies, which caused their gas and dust to be stripped away, leaving only the older stars in their central bulges. Like elliptical galaxies, lenticulars tend to be made up of older stars and contain little to no gas and dust, which means that they are not actively forming new stars. They are often found in the company of other types of galaxies, such as spirals and irregulars, and their distinctive shape and features make them an interesting object of study for astronomers seeking to understand the evolution and structure of galaxies. Notable examples of lenticular galaxies include M84 and M85, which are both located in the Virgo cluster of galaxies and have been extensively studied by astronomers. Another interesting lenticular galaxy is NGC 5866, also known as the Spindle Galaxy, which is notable for its narrow appearance and lack of dust lanes. Each type of galaxy is unique and fascinating, with its own mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Whether it's the spiral arms of the Milky Way, the vast elliptical galaxies at the center of galaxy clusters, the irregular shapes formed by galactic collisions, or the enigmatic lenticular galaxies, there is always more to discover in the universe. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.